Hey guys, this is Amit and you're watching Tech Dad. In this video, we are going to compare between Xiaomi Mi 11 Lite versus Realme X7 Pro Ultra. And we will discuss which one is better in camera, performance, display, body of the devices, features, communication chips and about the prices. In the end of the video, I will tell you which one is better according to me. So watch this video till the end. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Let the comparison start with the camera of the devices. Talking about the rear camera of the devices, 11 Lite have triple camera setup, 64 megapixel of wide camera, 8 megapixel of ultra wide camera and 5 megapixel of macro camera. Whereas Pro Ultra comes with triple camera setup, 64 megapixel of wide camera, 8 megapixel of ultra wide camera and 2 megapixel of macro camera. So I will call it a tie because both of the devices have approximately the same camera specs. And about the front camera of the devices, 11 Lite have 16 megapixel of wide camera whereas Pro Ultra have 32 megapixel of wide camera. So the winner here is Pro Ultra because it can take low noisy photos in low light conditions. Let's talk about the camera features of the devices. 11 Lite have dual LED flash HDR and panorama whereas Pro Ultra have LED flash HDR and panorama. So the winner here is 11 Lite because of dual LED flash it have. And about the video recording options in the devices, 11 Lite can shoot 4K video max at 30 fps, Full HD video max at 120 fps with gyro electronic image stabilization. Whereas Pro Ultra can shoot 4K video max at 60 fps, Full HD video max at 60 fps with gyro electronic image stabilization. So the winner here is Pro Ultra because it can record 4K video at 60 fps. Moving to the performance of the devices, let's start with the operating system of the devices. 11 Lite have Android 11 support. On the other side, Pro Ultra also have Android 11 support, so it's a tie. And about the user interface of the devices, 11 Lite have MIUI whereas Pro Ultra have Realme UI. So it's a tie here because both of the user interface have different UI. So it's up to you which UI you like it or not, it's up to you. Let's talk about the processor of the devices. 11 Lite is powered by Snapdragon 732G 5G based on 8nm processor, whereas Pro Ultra is powered by Dimensity 1000 Plus based on 7nm processor. So the winner here is Pro Ultra because it has faster processor, which gives the device faster processing speed. And about the GPU of the devices, 11 Lite is packed with Adreno 618, whereas Pro Ultra also packed with Mali G77. So again, the winner here is Pro Ultra because it can give you more FPS in games. Let's talk about the clock speed of the devices. 11 Lite can clock at 2.3 GHz based on octa-core Creo chipset, whereas Pro Ultra can clock at 2.6 GHz based on octa-core Cortex chipset. So the winner here is 11 Lite because it has faster clock speed. And about the RAM variants in the devices, 11 Lite have 3 options, 4, 6 and 8 GB, whereas Pro Ultra have 2 options, 8 and 12 GB. So the winner here is Pro Ultra because it have bigger capacity of RAM. Let's talk about the internal storage of the devices. 11 Lite comes with 64 and 128 GB of storage, whereas Pro Ultra have 2 options, 128 and 256 GB. So the winner here is Pro Ultra because it have bigger storage option. And about the external storage of the devices, 11 Lite have shared card slot, whereas Pro Ultra did not have any. So the winner here is 11 Lite. Moving to the display features of the devices, let's start with the display size of the devices. 11 Lite have 6.55 inches of display, whereas Pro Ultra also have 6.55 inches of display. So it's a tie because both of the devices have same screen size. And about the screen to body ratio of the devices, 11 Lite have approximately 85.3%, whereas Pro Ultra have 88.3%. So the winner here is Pro Ultra because it has bigger ratio. Let's talk about the screen resolution of the devices. 11 Lite comes with Full HD Plus display. On the other side, Pro Ultra have Full HD Plus display. So it's a tie. And about the display type of the devices, 11 Lite have AMOLED display having 90Hz of refresh rate with HDR10, whereas Pro Ultra have Fluid AMOLED display having 90Hz of refresh rate. So the winner here is 11 Lite because it have HDR10 support, which makes the device more color vibrant and produces more darker black. Moving to the body features of the devices, let's start with the thickness of the devices. 11 Lite have 6.8 mm of thickness, whereas Pro Ultra have 7.8 mm of thickness. So the winner here is 11 Lite because it have slimmer body. Talking about the weight of the devices, 11 Lite comes with 157 grams of weight, whereas Pro Ultra have 170 grams of weight. So the winner here is 11 Lite because it have lower body weight. And about the protective glass of the devices, 11 Lite have Gorilla Glass 5, whereas Pro Ultra have Gorilla Glass 5. So it's a tie because both of the devices have same generation of glass. Let's talk about the build quality of the devices. 11 Lite have glass back with plastic frame, whereas Pro Ultra have glass back with plastic frame. So the winner here is 11 Lite because of solid build quality it have. And about the SIM options in the devices, both of the devices have dual nano SIM support, so it's a tie. Moving to some of the most important features of the devices, let's start with the fingerprint scanner of the devices. 11 Lite have side mounted fingerprint scanner, on the other side Pro Ultra have side mounted fingerprint scanner, so it's a tie. And about the sensors in the devices, 11 Lite have accelerometer, gyroscope, proximity and compass, whereas Pro Ultra have accelerometer, gyroscope, proximity and compass. So again it's a tie. Let's talk about the battery capacity of the devices. 11 Lite have 4200 mAh of battery capacity, whereas Pro Ultra have 4500 mAh of battery capacity. So the winner here is Pro Ultra because it have bigger battery capacity. Let's talk about the charging speed of the devices. 11 Lite have 33 watts of fast charging, whereas Pro Ultra have 65 watts of fast charging. So the winner here is Pro Ultra because it can charge up your device faster. Let's talk about the loudspeaker of the devices. 11 Lite have dual speakers, whereas Pro Ultra have normal speakers. So the winner here is 11 Lite because it can produce a massive sound. And about the headphone jack of the devices, 11 Lite did not have 3.5 mm of headphone jack, whereas Pro Ultra have. So the winner here is Pro Ultra. Moving to the communication chips in the devices, starting with the WLAN of the devices. Both of the devices comes with Wi-Fi AC, dual band Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi direct and hotspot, whereas Pro Ultra have 6th generation of Wi-Fi, which increase the coverage area and as well as the speed of the connection. And about the Bluetooth version of the devices, 11 Lite have 5.1 generation of Bluetooth, whereas Pro Ultra have 5.1 generation of Bluetooth. So it's a tie because both of the devices have same generation of Bluetooth. Let's talk about the positioning chips in the devices. 11 Lite have AGPS, GLONASS, Galileo and BDS, whereas Pro Ultra have dual band AGPS, GLONASS, Galileo, BDS and QSS. So the winner here is Pro Ultra because it have QSS chip. And about the USB connectivity of the devices, 11 Lite have 2nd gen of Type-C connector with OTG support, whereas Pro Ultra have 2nd gen of Type-C connector. So the winner here is 11 Lite. Moving to the price of the devices in the international market, 11 Lite is around $270 whereas Pro Ultra is available from $350 In the Indian market, 11 Lite have starting range from 22,000 rupees, whereas Pro Ultra is available from 27,000 rupees. So the conclusion of the video is, in the camera, it's a tie. In the performance, the winner is Pro Ultra. In the display, the winner here is 11 Lite. In the body segment, the winner here is 11 Lite. In the features of the device, the winner here is 11 Lite. In the communication chips, it's a tie, and about the prices, the winner is Pro Ultra. So the decision is totally yours, which device you like the most so far, and let me know in the comment below what do you think, which device is better for you. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you like our content, please like our video, share this video and subscribe to our channel. Comment what's your thought in the comment below. If you're watching this video on Facebook, please like our page TechDad, and if you want to follow me on Instagram, here's my Instagram ID on screen. This is Amit and I will see you guys in the next one. Till then, bye.